So once you come in the studio, if you go over to the windows, they will be closed when you come in. If you can open all the windows, there's one here, one in the middle, and one near the end. And then if you want to leave the door open, you'll get a nice cross breeze going through the studio, so it won't be standing air. There are 2 hand sanitizers. They'll be full. There's one there, and then there's one as well in the makeup area. This is the stereo. There will be instructions on top of the stereo on how to connect to it. There's Blue Roll as well as flash cleaner to disinfect anything that you want to wipe down. There's the boardroom table. Down here, there are more table surfaces. There's 6 large 6-foot tables and 2 shorter 4-foot tables. Extra seating. There is 4x8 black-white polyboard and the stands for the polyboard. There's 2 stands right here. Otherwise, they can be leaned up against chairs, light stands, whatever. 2 electric heaters if it gets really super cold in the winter. Otherwise, there's 2 gas heaters here. There's a steamer right here, closed steamer, as well in the changing area. When needed, you can pull this out, a rolling rack. It usually lives beside the steamer right here. We usually pull out one of the 6-foot tables and put it beside the steamer so that the stylist has an area to work in. There's 2 8x8 wall flats here. They're fairly light to lift. This one is painted a dull silver. And then this one is painted white. And it has some texture to it. You can see some cracks, weathered. There's also here is a 16-foot length of wall that is smooth plywood that you can paint if you want, or you can wallpaper. We ask though, if you do wallpaper it, if you can remove the wallpaper when you're done, that would be great. There's usually 2 C-stands here, as well as a triple riser, a fiberglass ladder, assortment of sandbags, and that is pretty much it. We use this table here usually just as a little laptop table, capture station. Just usually bring it onto set wherever we need it. And that is the studio at Belfast Studio Rentals. Dog is not included.